What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to extend the Elementor WordPress page builder plugin features for free. So let's imagine that you have made an amazing website using Elementor free page builder that is pretty much awesome and a lot of people like, and you can create sections like this. However, if you want to create a section like this amazing portfolio, or for example some special Google Maps or a post grid for display your blog posts preview in some another page like this one, you will need to purchase the pro version, and there's a workaround. There's another plugin that can apply extra features into your Elementor WordPress plugin, and it's free. We call this kind of plugins as add-ons, and WordPress has tons of it. I'm gonna let you know one of the biggest ones and the most used and hated actually, and how to install and check out these elements, these components or features. I'm talking about the Essential Addons for Elementor. To install it, you just need to go into your WordPress dashboard, login, edit, and go to plugins. Let's have an overview on the Essential Addons page. There's tons of elements, and of course there is a premium version as well to apply more features, but with the free ones you already can make an amazing website, especially if you are using your Visual Mentor theme. There is an Elementor ready WordPress theme that applies special features in all of those amazing plugins. So to install, go to plugins, add new, in the search field type Elementor, and we're gonna be installing the Essential Addons for Elementor, this one by WP Developer. Click on install. While we are installing the plugin, let's have a look at the full Elementor page builder WordPress features and components by creating a new page. Click on edit with Elementor so you can open the plugin editor. As you can see, there are some basic elements, and next to it there is the pro element that is closed or locked by default because the plugin devs want to sell you their amazing work, that is the pro version. Same for WooCommerce. The default plugin already have a lot of nice elements, example this one in general, that can be used to create an awesome website. However, there's things that you're gonna need to apply at it. This is the whole idea of the freemium delivery market. You offer something nice in order to offer something premium that is even nicer. But let's activate the Essential Addons. As you can see, there is the templates cloud. I'm gonna let you know how to use it in the next video. But by now, you can have a look on your page, and you're gonna notice tons of new elements for almost everything you need. Let's go back to our page. Click on edit with Elementor again so we can load the editor. And if you scroll down the left sidebar of elements, you can see next to WooCommerce the Essential Addons elements. There's something like 70 new elements ready to use on your site. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question left. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility with all of those plugins. And I'll see you later. All the best!